Hello students, welcome to Deha Prakashan Academy Maharashtra. Myself is Sumedha. Today we are learning for English subject, and what is our topic name? Our topic name is degree. Okay, what is mean by degree? Degree is a compression on the is the basic form of an adjective. That is what including adjective, adverb. See over here. That is what adjective adverb. It is a simply describes a quality or a state without comparing it anything to anything else. It is form of your dictionary. Okay, that is what they are not into any comparing. They are giving just an describes the quality state without comparing to anything else. That is that is a that is a degree. Okay, now pay attention over here. We are taking the first definition of it, then examples and the MCQ also. Okay, it is a unmold form. There is no er, more, est or most added. The states a quality without comparison. For example, big, happy, slowly. Okay, what is the example of this? That is a big, happy, and slowly. Are the example of what? A degree. Degree is what? That is a unmold form. Unmold form. Okay. Now, why it is important? It is a foundation of the other two degrees of comparisons. That is what? Positive, simple, descriptive, quality. Another is comparative, comparing two things like taller, shorter. That is superlative, comparative three or more, like tallest. Means what? Tall, taller, tallest. Okay, so first you learn from positive, then build comparative, and then superlative. Now see, pay attention over here. What are the examples? First we will take the sentence, then word in a positive degree. Okay, now pay attention over here. Take a screenshot of this, so this will be easy to your learnings. Take a screenshot quickly. Done? Okay, now see. Number one sentence is what? The book is interesting. The book is interesting. Interesting is what? That is a adjective. That is what? That is an adjective over here. He runs fast. Over here, fast is what? Fast is a adverb. Fast is what over here? That is an adverb. She is kind. Kind is what over here? That is a adjective. That is what? That is an adjective. The sky looks blue. Blue is what? Adjective. Pay attention. Last is remain. They smiled happily. Happily is what? An adverb. Got it? Now next, rules and use. For of what? Rules and use of what? That is a degree. Okay, these are the rules. Rule number one, use the basic form of the adjective and adverb. Use the basic form of adjective and adverb over here. Next is what? No suffix likes. Suffix are what? Adding er, adding er, est. Okay? Addition or more, most. No need to add more, most. And describe just one thing or action over here, not a comparison with anything else. First, that is what often found in a dictionary. Okay? Now, next, C. Filling the blanks with the positive degree. See over here. First, I have given the sentence. An answer is also in a bracket. You just have to write the answer it again. Now see students how we will write. First, the cat is sleepy. Sleepy. Okay, number one sentence. Sleepy is what? Is what? A degree. He speaks softly. Softly. Okay. The flower is beautiful. We will not take a B capital. We will take a small B over here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now she plays quick. The puzzle is easy. The puzzle is easy. Now, next is what? What happened next? Now, once you learn the positive form, you can make comparisons. Comparative, add er, use more, compare between two, faster, more interesting. Okay. Now, superlative, added est, most, compare with three or more, fastest, most interesting. Means what? We can take an example of tall, taller, tallest. Understand? Now, next is what? Summary, positive degree. Basic form, no comparison need. Used to descriptive single things or action. Single means one thing. Okay? See, sun is only one, right? The sun is bright. We have written over here bright. We don't write over here brighter, brightest. What we have write? That is a bright. No added est or more over here. Okay, that is what? A single. See, now next. The water is dash and sweet. So option number A is COLLE coal or COOL cool, COOLEST coolest or more cool. Which option is perfect? The water is cool. So we will write over here cool. Cool? Okay. She writes very, see, spelling are NEAT, neat, NEATER, neater, NEATLY, neatly, the neatest, NEATEST. No, we will not add over here EREST. What we will take? Neatly. Okay, got it? Now, next, that is a dash movie. FUNNY, funny. FUNNIER, FUNNIEST, or more funny. Which option is correct? That is funny. Okay. My phone is EXPENSIVE, expensive or more expensive, most expensive or expensively? No. Which word we will take? expensive, expensive, expensive. Now next, he is the dash student. He is clever, 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 or cleverest, cleverset, or more cleverly, more, cleverly. Which one is right? C. Option number A is right. So what we will write over here? Clever. Got it? Everyone can see this option? See over here. Okay. Now next. The tea tastes bitter. Tea tastes more bitter. Bitterest or bittery. Which option is right over here? Option is the tea tastes bitter. 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 Okay. Now next is what? This box is heavy, heavy, heavier, or heavest, more, or heavy, heavy. Which option is right? Option number A. heavy, heavy. Next is what? Her dress looks, her dress, dress, looks, looks. So which option we will take? Pretty, prettier, prettiest, more pretty. Now pretty, pretty, prettier, prettiest, more pretty, pretty. No. Which option we will take? That is pretty. Okay. Now next is what? The cake is sweet, sweeter, sweetest, more sweet. Which option is right? The sweet option is right. The task seems simple, 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 simplest, more simple. Which option is right? That is simple. This option is right over here. Now we have solved the MCQ part over here. So you just have to go through it and practice it. Okay. Thank you so much, students.